Did you know that? Right now, in this very moment, you are glowing? No, I'm not talking about some metaphorical inner light. Although you probably have that too. I'm talking about actual physical light. Your body is emitting a faint glow, kind of like a tiny biological nightlight. It's completely invisible to our eyes, but it's there. This isn't science fiction. It's a fascinating and very real phenomenon called human bioluminescence. So, what's going on? How is it possible that we're all walking around, faintly shining, without even knowing it? Let's dive into the amazing science behind why you literally glow in the dark. It all comes down to something called bio for life and photon for a particle of light. Every living thing, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whale, and yes, that includes you and me, emits these biophotons. This light is a natural byproduct of our metabolism. Think about all the millions of chemical reactions happening inside your body every second to keep you alive, breaking down food, repairing cells, sending signals. All that activity generates energy, and a tiny fraction of that energy is released as ultra-weak particles of light. It's a constant, steady glimmer produced by the very processes that sustain our existence. So, unlike a firefly that can turn its light on and off, our glow is always on. A subtle signature of life itself. So how does this work on a chemical level? The light is primarily generated by highly reactive molecules called free radicals, which are produced during cellular respiration. When these free radicals interact with lipids and proteins in our cells, they create excited molecules. As these molecules return to their stable, low-energy state, they release that excess energy in the form of a photon, a tiny flash of light. It's a bit like a microscopic fireworks show happening all over your body, all the time. Scientists in Japan have actually captured images of this phenomenon using incredibly sensitive cameras that can detect single photons. They found that our glow isn't uniform. In fact, it fluctuates throughout the day, peaking in the late afternoon. Interestingly, the areas around our cheeks, forehead, and neck tend to glow the brightest. Likely because these areas have a higher metabolic rate. Now, you might be wondering, if we're glowing, why can't we see it? The reason is simple. The light is incredibly faint. It is about 1,000 times less intense than the level of light our naked eyes are capable of detecting. Our eyes just aren't sensitive enough to pick up these individual photons. Imagine trying to see a single candle flame from 10 miles away. It's a similar challenge of scale. However, with the right technology, this faint light becomes visible. The specialized supercooled cameras used in scientific research can amplify the signal of these bodies, revealing the ghostly, glowing outline of a person sitting in complete darkness. It's a stunning visual that proves this isn't just theory, but a measurable reality. What is even more incredible is that this faint glow might one day tell us a lot about our health. Some researchers believe that the intensity and pattern of our biophoton emissions could be linked to our overall well-being. Since the light is a direct result of metabolic processes, changes in our metabolism caused by illness, stress, or even aging could potentially alter our glow. For instance, an area with inflammation might emit light differently than healthy tissue. This has opened up a whole new field of research exploring biophotons as a potential non-invasive diagnostic tool. Imagine a future where a doctor could take a light picture of you to detect health issues before other symptoms even appear. We're not there yet, but the potential is truly exciting. This phenomenon really changes the way you think about your own body, doesn't it? We're not just solid masses of flesh and bone. We are dynamic, energetic beings, constantly humming with chemical reactions that produce a subtle, beautiful light. The fact that we are luminous creatures, even if only on a level we can't see, is a powerful reminder of the complex and wonderful biology that makes us who we are. So, the next time you're in a dark room, just remember, you're not entirely in the dark. You are a source of light, a walking, talking, breathing beacon of life. You are literally brilliant. Thanks for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing science. See you next time.